advanced flexibility flow. Take a gentle sit or fine child pose. Close your eyes and take a soft breath in and a long breath out. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale. Come into downward facing dog. Lengthen your spine, stretch your back and neck and shoulder, legs. Shift forward into a slow plank and lift your hips back up, keeping your movement fluid and soft. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Let your hips melt down. Breathe into the front of your body. Stay soft. Hand to the mat. Switch side. Lower into lizard pose, maybe coming onto your forearms. Feel the deep stretch inside the hips. Switch side when you are ready. Bring your right knee forward for pigeon pose. Lengthen your spine and forward slowly if it feels good. Let your exhale soften your whole body. If it's available, rise up into mermaid pose. With your heart, let the pose feel like an opening, not a struggle. If it feels good, more deep stretch. Look at the sky. Open your heart. Focus on your breath. Slowly release and switch side. More deep stretch. Open your heart. Look at the sky. Inhale and exhale. Stretch your back and neck and shoulder. Slowly release. Place your hand down and step back into downward facing dog. Take one slow breath here. Lengthen your spine. Inhale and exhale. Step your right foot forward into a high lunge. Reach your arm up, lifting through your chest. Switch side. Arms up and bend knee, relax your shoulder. Gaze straight. Step forward into mountain pose. Stand tall, grounding through both feet. Inhale and exhale. One more. Take a deep breath in and breath out. Come into dancer pose. Shift your weight onto your right foot. Hold your left foot behind you and gently kick into your hands. Lift your heart forward. Find one point to focus on. Move with grace, no force. Slowly release and switch side. Slowly release. Come down onto your knee for camel pose. Take a deep breath in. Lift your chest and open the front of your body. Shine your heart upward. Stay for one or two breaths, then release gently. Slowly wake up and extend your left leg forward for front split. Breathe deeply and let your hips settle. Stay soft and patient. Inhale and exhale. Switch side when you are ready. Come into a seated twist. Cross your legs. Twist to your left. Inhale and exhale. Switch side. Hold forward softly. Take one last deep breath in and a gentle breath out. Inhale and exhale. Thank yourself for opening so beautifully today. See you.